How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Grimm from the Bug Out Boys, and welcome to another bot. And this bot is titled Magnesium Bar Tricks. A lot of people use a magnesium bar, and I personally think it's an invaluable resource to have in your bug out bag or your survival kit, what have you. But over the years, I have found a few tricks that make using the magnesium bar just a little bit easier. So I'm going to bring the camera in close so I can show you those tricks in detail. The first trick that I'm going to impart to you is understanding that the shavings of a magnesium bar are incredibly light. The slightest breeze, the little bit of breath from your mouth or nose or just sneezing will scatter your shavings to the wind, literally. So build yourself a wind block of where you are making your little pile, whether it's clothes, rocks, sticks, what have you. Block the wind. Underneath here, you see a little divot. This is another trick. Wherever you are going to make your fire, make a little divot into what I would suggest a piece of flat bark or a piece of dried split wood, and carve your divot, as you can see, about the diameter of a nickel or a quarter. And this will give your shavings a home to settle into because they are going to go all over here. And this will help you create your nice little pile, and it will also help with the wind as well. Now to get those shavings, you want to take your blade and have it perpendicular to the bar. Not like this, but perpendicular. And this way, it's nice, easy shavings, some firm pressure to get that. Now you see I've missed my little divot, so I'm just going to gently push those in there. Ooh, and if you saw, I said push too harshly and they started to scatter. Now as you can tell, this is going to take a while. If you don't have time, or time is not on your side, another trick is to make an improved magnesium bar. You see this ranger band is hiding a little chamber that I drilled out that already has some magnesium dust in there. So let's pop it up a little bit in there, like so. So we're in our divot, we're all together, we're gonna cap this back up, don't wanna lose any of it. And not only does this ranger band serve a purpose of keeping that hole closed, provides a very nice grip. It can hold a hacksaw blade if you want to use that instead for your shavings, and it's burnable. You could also use some duct tape as well if you wish. And the last tip. When finally getting to the point of wanting to ignite your magnesium, you're not going to want to jostle this at all. So if you have a nice stable platform like that piece of bark that I was telling you about, just sit your ferro rod nearby, and that way you can do a nice controlled strike. That's pretty nice. As you can also see, because you did it in a bark, or in this case I did it in some log, there was actually a decent flame there for a bit. So, if you enjoyed this bot, please do subscribe, because there's going to be more bots, reviews, Pioneer Preps, and Bug Out Boy episodes along the way. And if you have any questions or comments about how to do these tricks, or if you have your own magnesium bar tricks, please leave those down below in the comments section because I'd love to read them, and you know I'll get back to you. So till then, take care.